Well, there she is. I finished her. And she's beautiful. Look at that beautiful oak. I could have done some more things to her. This is just the way the wood is. Don't worry. I mean, but I didn't want it. I wanted it to look like it was when they built it. This is all oak. And I'm sure it's made by contract for the military. But I was able to get it all the way down to its grain, and man, it's beautiful. This is all original. I had to do some sanding to smooth these out, because you got to remember how old this thing is. I also fixed all the mechanism under here. Those springs need a little work done to them, and I put new rollers on the bottom, but the rest of it is, all of this is original except for the rollers, and they were originally wood. They had been worn down to this and that. So anyway, I finished it, and I'm very proud of it. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to put a pad on it. I know you guys that are woodworkers appreciate this and would have done such a better job, but I'm so proud of the fact that I did it. So anyway, it's over. I'm going to use it as my workbench on my horse seat. I'm not putting a pad on that thing. If my butt gets sore, I'll just get a bigger butt. Have a great day. Hope you're having a good Sunday.